This is a resin Guy Fawkes mask, also known as a V for Vendetta or anonymous mask. And I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, the MSRP is $45. I've seen it for sale for $40 right now. So they haven't paid me for the review, and my opinion remains my own. Right, so it's packaged in styrofoam and bubble wrap, and this is the mask here. So it's it's made out of resin. It has a black inner surface, and I believe this is painted on the outside of the surface. It's possible that they have resin coloring that they put in the mold, but I suspect it's probably a paint on the outside. Feels pretty smooth. Has two little rivets, it looks like, holding in this elastic here, and then it has this little snap. So basically, to put it on or take it off, you just snap this behind your head. There is some adjustability here. It doesn't look like it's super big, so I think just like it is might work pretty well. And it has some comfort foam. There's here the nose, and then all around the outside of the mask. So it's made out of resin. It's not excessively heavy, but it does have a little bit of heft here. So 10.8 ounces. All right, pretty easy to put on. Not uncomfortable, but not also super comfortable. It's pressing against the nose just a little bit. The foam helps. Foam helps around the outside. My eyelashes are touching the inside just a little bit. It's definitely not compatible with eyeglasses, so don't even try it with eyeglasses. The weight isn't bad. The elastic is pretty tight, but I don't think it could be too much looser due to the weight, and this thing might start shifting around. So my nose is being pushed in just a little bit. I could see wearing this for 20-30 minutes. I don't think I'd want to wear it for multiple hours. It's pretty hot in the mask. There's no breathability. It's solid resin. You got the eye holes, the mouth hole. I can breathe okay. You can probably hear me all right. It's a little muffled, obviously. Ears are just fine. I can hear just fine. The rest of my head is uncovered, so that's not super hot. All right, so construction details are pretty good. The paint job looks pretty nice. It has this kind of dark green and kind of golden color scheme, which is not a typical color scheme you see on one of these masks, but looks pretty good. I don't feel that the rivets detract from it. I'm not sure I'd want to wear it long term. It's a very nice display piece to put on a wall. You could wear it for photo shoots or short wearing periods. I think 30 minutes might be the max I'd want to wear this particular mask for. It kind of pushes up against your face. Now, if you put it on a handle for a Masquerade, it would work really well for that. You'd have to figure out how to do that yourself. You could potentially integrate it with a hat, so the hat would support it a little farther in front of your face, and I think it could be very comfortable if you did that. But just kind of pushed up against your face, it's very close. You might want thicker foam all around. I think if you tripled the thickness of this foam, it could be extremely comfortable, so it wouldn't be pushing against your eyelashes and your nose here. Is it worth the asking price? I don't know. It's not bad construction, but as a wearable mask for a long period of time, it's also not super comfortable. I was impressed by the packaging. They did not skimp on bubble wrap and styrofoam. The mask does not feel brittle. It feels like it's pretty hefty and substantial, and I don't think, I think it's going to be safe inside of that box.